Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm back with another video. I'm going to stay as dedicated as possible. um, for this video, I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to create a vibration by manipulating the library that I showed you guys in the previous video. So every time you tap something like this, it vibrates and it gives us a notification in the console window that says, hey, this is vibrated. I recommend while using this tutorial, you should uh, do everything on your phone for testing because it's more effective there since you actually feel the vibration. So let's get into it. All right, so we're back on this page. I just want to give credit to XHammer for making this library. We're going to be messing around with the code on here, and it has the MIT license, so we're free to do that. So I don't get sued, because that would suck. So we're just gonna, every time you tap this, we're just gonna add a vibration. I really recommend messing around with these libraries because there's so much functionality and it's so dynamic that it's just great. So if we go over here, this is our project. So we got the 4 buttons here. What we're gonna do is very simple. We're just gonna go to the Spark source file, and if you install it via CocoaPods, you can actually access the pods files here. And we're gonna go right here. So you won't be able to notice any difference unless you put in your phone. So what we're gonna do is enter some code which actually causes the vibration. So let's do this. So if iOS 10, so if it's available on this, then we'll do something here. So let generator equal UI notification feedback generator. Generator dot notification occurred dot success. So this is actually where you can customize your vibration. So there are a lot of different ways you can customize it. I'll put some links in the description. You can check them out. You just change the input here. If you're using any of the default vibrations that Apple provides, you would just type in like dot success, or there should be a couple more dot failed, I think. Yeah, dot failed. No, not dot failed. Oh, error. I think it's error. And they have different vibrations. So for now, we're just going to use the success because that's the strongest one. If you end up using a custom version, you just type in this code, impact feedback generator dot style, and then like dot light. That's one of them, for example. I think they have haptic feedback vibration codes which you can customize. Generator dot impact occurred. Yeah, so you can just uncomment that. And for now, just for testing, we'll just do print button has vibrated. And if this doesn't work at all, then we'll just do print button has not vibrated. I totally forgot the comments there. So yeah, let's run this. And I'm going to be recording my phone so you can actually see it. So I was having some issues with the console initially. It wasn't really outputting anything, but it was still vibrating. Hopefully that has been resolved. Yeah, it has been resolved. So I'm tapping my phone right now, and as I tap it, I'm getting the confirmation that the button has vibrated. And it is vibrating in my phone, and if you just try it out, test it on your phone, it should work. So I'm just going to run it one more time on here, on the actual simulator. It won't pop anything up here. Like if I delete this, nothing will pop up here, but that's because no vibration is actually occurring right now. There's no way to output that. So let's see. So yeah, again, I really recommend playing around with this code, change up the colors, mess around with where the colors appear from, um, the size of the dots that appear when you tap on the simulator. Yeah, it's really cool. It teaches you a lot. And hey, you could basically build your own animations. So, oh, it actually pops up. Okay, that's nice. So yeah, the button has vibrated. And it's really cool to just customize all of this. I'll be making other videos in the future, just messing around with all these little APIs or libraries. I keep mixing those two up. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I stay dedicated enough to this. Peace.